Hi friends, welcome to Tulsi Tech in Creatives. Guys, yesterday I will discuss about Tomcat. Guys, I will show this topic names. Guys, yesterday I will discuss about how to install the Tomcat in Linux server, how to start with Jenkins. How to start with Tomcat. Guys, yesterday completed I will these two sections only. Today I will continue on how to integrate with Jenkins on Tomcat server, how to deploy the WAR file in Tomcat server. These two topics I will continue in today's section. Yesterday I will already discuss about these two also. I will share the link definitely in description. Please go through and first of all watch it. Your understanding purpose. Okay, I will share the link. See guys, please go through this video. I will share in descriptions also. Please go through first of all. Okay, today I will continue on how to integrate with Jenkins and Tomcat server, how to deploy and verify a new Tomcat server. Okay, first of all go through on my AWS account, running my Tomcat server also. Open, log in my AWS password. Okay, login. Then once login is successful, go to the CC2 and go to the running instance. Then start the my Tomcat server. Instance dot. Next, once you can start it, how to connect the server to local. Go to the my PEM file. Where is my PEM file? AWS. Once check it running or not. It's pending. Yes, it's running. Copy the public IP and go through my PEM file. Open the git bash. Now using SSH key -i in AWS Ubuntu. Then copy the my public IP and connect it. Yes, it's connecting. Yes, successfully connecting. Once remove my terminal. Check it first of all ls -ltr. See my Tomcat folder is there. Go to my Tomcat folder. Then once check it, Apache is there. And go through Apache. Then next check it this. Go to the bin folder. How to start this Tomcat server? Remember is go to the bin folder. Go to bin folder. Then sh startup.sh. Once Tomcat is running, go to open new tab and check with copy the public IP. Sorry, copy the public IP address. Then copy, go through open new tab, and my port is by default port is 8080 and my server is opening. Log in my server. Then sign in. Yes, successfully open, running in my Tomcat server also. Next, what's how to integrate with the Jenkins in Tomcat server. Next, to open my Jenkins server also. I have already so many jobs I will done with them. Then let's take it the one job also. This list. Let's take it the one freestyle job, your understanding purpose. Okay. Next, what is dog? Sorry, Tomcat server. Get my freestyle job. Then take it the server remote server URL and Bitbucket URL. My WAR file where will be stored in that URL will be copy. One project I will take it. This where is one minute. This is a jar file also. Where is where file? Save project I will open. Sorry. Yeah, this is a WAR file. Copy this URL and go through my Tomcat server. Where is my project? Yeah, go through my project and go to the configuration section. Then select the git, copy the URL and add the credential. This is my Bitbucket credential we will be added. And after build section is select this Maven, invoke top level and Maven project, then clean package. I will write the one Maven call. Next, please observe guys, your required plugin also I will already share it in document section. Required plugins, once again I will explain it. This is a required plugins: unleash Maven plugin and deploy to container. These two plugins is must and should. How to install the plugins I will already done in the my YouTube sessions. Please watch it all videos. Your understanding. This plugin is most important. Your connection with Jenkins and Tomcat server, and then go through my Jenkins server. Please select the deploy where here it to container. Can write the where file also. Copy and paste it here. Then you can write the contact path, your where will be stored this name also. That name will be mentioned here. I will in Linux Tomcat. 1 minute. Okay guys, where and here files you can write it, then mention here contact path where you can store the name also. That will be write the name all. See the Linux Tomcat, I will write it. Once check it your Tomcat server, that name will be here. No, there is no you can see here, that will be name. No there, no here. And then go to my Jenkins server, can add the container. Add this Tomcat, my version name is mentioned here. Then add the Tomcat credential also, deployer to deployer. Then you can mention, this is a very important guys, mention the Tomcat URL where the server is running, the port ID and public IP, that will be you can mention here. Copy and paste it here. This is a URL and port. Then once all configuration is done, once again source code is I will mention here. Then build section is mentioned here. Then post build action, this part also very important. Can observe once again, where file is contact path and container is all are is done. Once is done, apply and save it. Then build the job. See, observe it carefully. I go to the console output. Hello. Ah. ఒకటే ఇప్పుడు పంపించేయడా వాడు ఇప్పుడే లేదులే. అదొకటి ఈరోజు దానికే ఫోటో పంపించింది. తిన్నారా? తినేసి రమ్మంటే తినేసి వస్తా, లేదా రమ్మంటే వస్తా. సరే సరే ఉండు. Okay guys, see, successful is done. Check it the my Tomcat server. Go to my Tomcat server, once refresh it. See, Linux Tomcat, this name will be, go to URL and go to the configuration section. One minute guys. Sorry guys, somebody is calling. Okay, next is what name will be stored in? See, Linux Tomcat. Once again check it. My Tomcat server is opening. Yeah, see, Linux Tomcat is stored. Open is. See, this output will be displayed. Yes guys, simple trips. Simply you can do it this. Definitely you can success the output also. Okay guys, any informations, any ideas about, you can mention the your chat box also, like comment sections, no problem. Okay guys, I will share the in these two plugin names also in description. Also I will share the link in yesterday I will class. Do it this class. Okay, completed, no problem. Okay, bye guys, thank you so much.